In this video, I'm going to show you how to mail merge in New Outlook, making it super easy to send personalized messages to multiple recipients without showing everyone's email address. So now first we need to head on over to outlook.live.com and sign into your account. Now, once you're on your dashboard, look to the top left-hand corner and click onto New Mail, but click on the little arrow next to it and then click onto Mail. Now, it's going to have a little mail send box here. So where it says send, to the right of that, click on the little drop-down menu and click on the option that says Start Mail Merge. So as it states, every recipient will receive their own copy of this email without other recipients listed. That's what we are after. Now from here, we can add multiple recipients inside of here. For example, you want to send a message to 3 or 4 people, enter their emails in this field. When you send your email, each person will receive it as if it was sent only to them. They won't see the other recipients, keeping your communication private and more professional. Now, Mail Merge is perfect for newsletters, invitations, or any messages where you want a personal touch without exposing your entire email list. And that's it. You've successfully started a Mail Merge in the New Outlook. Go ahead and explore the features, practice a bit, and so you'll be a Mail Merge pro. If you found this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe.